Sure great to see people. No! Yeah! Hello, Don.
Hello, Harvey.
Son of a gun. I didn't see you for a long time.
It has been a long time.
Where have you been?
Oh, I've been abroad.
I always had my suspicion, but I was now. I'm absolutely now.
Wait a minute, huh?
Come on.
What's the matter?
You've been abroad, ain't you?
Oh, I've been abroad for a little over 3 years now.
And I've known you for 10. Holding out, huh? Come on, let's you and I go places.
Hey, now, just a minute. When I say I've been abroad, I don't necessarily mean I've been abroad.
When I say you're crazy, I wouldn't say you're crazy.
No?
You're nuts.
Yeah, now, wait a minute. It's merely a figure of speech. One says he's been abroad when he's been traveling in foreign countries.
Oh, you've been in foreign countries?
Across the ocean.
Oh, across the ocean.
Yeah, I was in England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales.
Jails?
Jails? No jails.
Well,
I was in France, Belgium, Denmark, Holland, Germany, down through Italy. While in Italy, I touched Florence.
For how much?
$2. Yeah, no, Florence. That's a city in Italy.
Oh, that's a city?
Yes, and from Italy, I got up into Turkey.
Boy, you work fast, don't you?
Yeah, it's another country.
Oh, it's another country.
Yes,
Oh,
and from there, I went through Greece.
Boy, you slid fast, didn't you? I said you slid right through, eh?
Greece, that's the country.
Well, I thought it was so slippery you went through like that.
No, then I went through the Middle Eastern countries and on into Indochina.
Indochina?
Indochina, I stayed with my very good friend, the Maharaja.
Oh, you met the Maharaja, huh?
The Maharaja?
That's what I said, Maharaja.
No, the Maharaja is the ruler, the emperor.
Oh, the emperor? Yeah. Oh, you met him, huh?
Oh, he's a very good friend of mine.
No.
I stayed at his castle. What a beautiful harem, what gorgeous girls. I think because I admired the women of his harem so much is why he made me such a fabulous present when I departed.
Told you to get out of town.
No, he made me a present.
A present?
Oh, they give very expensive gifts.
What'd they give you?
Well, sometimes they give camels or elephants, sometimes precious jewels.
Precious jewels?
But to me, he made a present that was absolutely priceless.
And what's that?
This little vial right here.
What's in there?
My friend, you are gazing upon for the first time in your life, genuine poppy juice.
Oh, that's puppy juice, huh?
Poppy juice.
How many dogs you have to kill?
No, it comes from the poppy flower.
Oh, from the flower?
It's compounded by the alchemists in the Maharaja's court, concocted into the strongest love potion known to man. Why, would you believe it, Hermie? Just a few drops of this sprinkled on a handkerchief and wafted ever so gently under a fair damsel's nose, she immediately comes under your spell. She'll do anything in the world you ask her to.
Anything?
Yeah.
Give me that stuff.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
No.
Hey, does it work fast?
Well, of course it works.
does, huh?
Listen, if you have any doubt in your mind at all,
Yeah?
the first young lady that comes by, I'll demonstrate.
Right out here?
Yeah. Oh. Poppy.
What is that wonderful aroma?
Boy, it's working, ain't it?
Oh, what is this strange feeling creeping all over me?
Yeah, you like that, huh? You like that?
Oh,
Darling, come into my arms.
Oh,
Darling, don't you remember we had an appointment?
Did we?
Yes, you were supposed to meet me at 8 o'clock behind the post office.
Yeah. Well, you run along. I'll be there at 8.
You promised. Don't forget, 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
behind the post office, 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
You gonna meet her behind the post office?
I'll be there at 8 o'clock.
I'll be there at 6 inches after.
Now, wait a minute. That's no way to act.
Hey, Tom.
Huh?
Give me some of that, will you? Let me get one, huh?
Well, all right, Hermie. You know, in view of our long-standing friendship, there's no
Yeah.
reason why I couldn't let you have a little
Why,
of it.
absolutely not.
Providing, of course, you don't use it for any immoral purposes.
Now, you know me better than that. I wouldn't do a thing like that.
No?
No.
What do you have in mind?
I just want to have some fun, that's all.
All right. Have you got a handkerchief?
Oh, sure, I got a handkerchief, sis.
Here. Now, remember, all you have to do is waft it under the nose. There you are.
Oh. Poppy?
Hey, wait a minute. What are you doing?
For what you told me to do.
I said under the nose.
Oh, I thought you said under the clothes.
No. Here.
Some more, yeah. Poppy?
Oh, what is that wonderful aroma?
It's working.
Yeah.
Poppy?
Oh, what is that strange feeling creeping over me?
It's going to be me darn soon, I'll tell you that. Here.
Oh,
Come on.
darling.
Sweetheart.
Oh.
Darling, don't you remember we had a date tonight?
We did?
Uh-huh, at 9 o'clock behind the waterworks.
9 o'clock. That's going to run me kind of close, but I'll try and make it.
How is it I Poppy did and you got... No, I did it the same way you told me to.
What do you mean?
You said waft it under the nose and she run right up to you and did it.
Oh, what is this strange aroma? I'll see you later.
What is this strange aroma? I feel cool as shit. Work for myself here. Oh, here comes the baby. I'll work on her now. Poppy, Poppy? Maybe I run out of juice. I'll try my own system here. Poppy, Poppy? Huh? Oh.
Hey, Hermie, Poppy Poppy?
Poppy, Poppy, nothing. Saki, Saki. Ha ha!